To record screen on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we can go to the control center or quick settings, and then usually, at least by default, we should be able to find the screen recorder here in this expandable area. So we can tap on the screen recorder, and then we have the option to set it up. So we can either record the full screen or just part of it. We can choose the audio that should be included, and we can also show taps and touches. Once you are ready, just tap on start recording. We can of course skip the countdown if you want to, and there we go, now we are recording our screen. We have some additional tools in here, like for example, we can use the pen in order to start drawing something if you want to, for example, highlight something on your video. We can also toggle the front camera over here. We can of course drag it around as well, so if you have the camera activated, then you should be able to move it around. There we go. You can pause and completely stop the recording as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.